Retail analysis is a tool where we can simulate human behaviors in a retail environment. Today we will be case studying K11 Musea Hong Kong as a demo.
First, we start by setting up a virtual environment. We will be identifying the strength of each entrance and then import the layout to define where people can access each shop unit. We will also be testing out different circulation strategies for lifts and escalators. For our users, we will input targeted shoppers, which know exactly which shops they want to visit, and experienced users who will just dwell in the space for a period of time. One of the benefits of running these simulations is that we can analyze the impact of footfall of different entrance locations. For our modified option, we will combine the two side entrances into one central entrance. We can then compare these two options based on heat maps and data which we can draw from a 24-hour simulation. Another valuable analysis is where we placed our anchor tenants in a retail mall. To start, we create a controlled version where all shops are equally attractive. Then we can test out different anchor positions, such as having them concentrated towards the entrance or having them spread out deeper into the mall. And with both of these options, we will be comparing how the anchor position changes the footfall of adjacent shops. Escalator positioning will determine the value of shops on the upper levels, as it determines the flow of how people enter. So here we have an existing version of K11. We can then compare this to a secondary option, where we try to rearrange the escalators to achieve a better distribution of people entering the second floor. Lastly, we can do a visual analysis based on a first-person perspective, and we can see the visual experience of a typical user. From this, we can map up the duration being viewed on each shopfront. The idea is to maximize the visibility of each shopfront and identify shops which are less visible. A high visibility would directly correlate to the value of a shop. For a successful retail analysis, we will be able to accurately predict the footfall and visibility of any retail environment.
A successful retail analysis will provide insights to the retail environment which we have created.